Okay, note to self. Wrapping Cheerios, frosting Cheerios with colored cord. This is a method that seems to work. It's my standard Cheerio, 1 inch across, and convenient length turns out to be about 22 inches of material here. I'm going to drop this through the center, make an overhand there, and with about a 5-inch tail for the pull-through loop. I want it to be just to the left of the knuckle and the inside of that glue spot and the chain link with the wire inside. Gonna make a simple overhand here. I want the tail, which I'd like a little longer. Yeah, good enough. I'd like the tail to exit to the left along the top of it, and I want that knot to be up as close to the knuckle as practical here. Okay. A little short on tail, but that'll be okay. Now, come around and wrap it once or twice. This helps to smooth out the bump there that's made with the glue and that chain link on the wire inside. Go around 1 or 2 times to kind of smooth that bump, and then start wrapping in a spiral fashion. It's a little easier to push the line through than to pull it through from the back. So I basically want spacing something less than a 1/2 inch. Round and around. And again. Don't worry where the spots are where we're going to string these together with the Dacron, because you can always kind of lift up and go underneath one of these wrappings. It's not a big deal. Okay. Coming around and around. Getting close to the end here. One more time through, please. Okay, now get ready to form the pull-through. See, so basically like this. Alright, something like that. Okay, now I'm going to take sort of careful aim here. Go inside one more time. I want the wrapping to span from like here to here, so I'm at a pretty good spot. And I want the pull-through stuff to ride along the outer edge of the ring. Okay, that's a good start. Now at the start here, I'm going to twist this thing to the right. Make it tighter. Comes out nicer. Looks cooler. Holds well. But as I get to that bump, I want to loosen this up and even sort of untwist it so it widens out a little bit. Like that. Yeah. Keep it sort of partly unraveled as you go over that bump there. That way it can be wide on top and narrow on the inside of the ring. I'll adjust this. You know, we want the pull-through to be on top because it pulls through easier and because there's less chance of any of the white showing through from underneath. Okay, now I still want to keep this loose. Almost over the hump here. Okay, I can go back to using a tighter twist. And at this point, it's just a matter of making it look even with the start. And one more time, I guess. That looks about right, I think. Okay. Now, get this through the pull through. There. Okay, pull that tight. Take up that slack. And pull until the end comes in about 2 or 3 wrappings. Like so. Done. Trim the ends and there you go. Oh yeah. It's nice to kind of roll this a little bit over here where we pulled through. Get more of a nice shape. And that's it. Drop it into the done bucket and work on the next one.